April broke my bank. What it do, boys and girls? April has been a lot. A lot. As an average sneakerhead, buying shoes is kind of hard. There's a lot of payments. There's a lot of other factors like food and stuff, electricity, internet. So buying shoes is kind of crazy right now. Plus the gas prices is just through the roof right now. So yeah. But for the beginning of April, my first sneaker purchase is the Nike Moon shoe. Nike's first ever shoe. And I am super happy with this. This costed me around $105. 5,795 in pesos, Philippine peso. I've been wearing this for almost 30 days straight now. I have an upcoming video on that if this is really a shoe that you can wear for 30 days straight. And I have a full review of this on my channel, so if you want to check that out, I'll put that as a link here and I will put it in the description as well. My next purchase, as you saw in my last few videos, is this Ultra Boost 1.0. To be honest with you, I am super happy with this sneaker. I just have a few complaints. It's not the triple white that we all used to know. It has a translucent cage now instead of white. The Ultra Boost here is white instead of the silver one. It's just nitpicks. The Continental one at the bottom is not yellow anymore, but it's still an Ultra Boost. It's still one of the most comfortable sneakers that I have right now. This one I got on sale for around 84 bucks, around 5,000 pesos PHP. So yeah, this one I did not buy. Thankfully, my sister bought this for me as a gift. One of my most comfortable sneakers and one of the sneakers that I will surely wear almost all the time because I just love wearing the Ultra Boost. Then a surprise purchase for me is this Kobe 3 Halo. I wasn't planning to use this as a basketball shoe because, I mean, just look at that. It does look like a shoe that I can wear out whenever I want, which is kind of, I don't know why people did not want this. This is an underrated Kobe silhouette, by the way. But I did try to play some basketball with this sneaker right here, and it's super comfortable. This is more comfortable than the next sneaker that I'll be talking about right here. This Kobe 3, I've been wanting this since I was a kid. I'm glad that they pro-troed it because I never thought the Kobe 3 would get a pro-tro, to be honest with you, because it's not a known silhouette. It's known because of the waffle thing, but it's not really a known Kobe sneaker compared to the 4, 5, and 6. So yeah. This one again I got for 84 bucks. It was one of the last pairs at Foot Locker, so that's why they marked it down 50% off. And I'm super grateful for that. But man, I'm breaking bank. I already spent 200 bucks, and to me that's a lot of money as an average sneakerhead. I don't got bank like that. So buying a lot of shoes this month really killed my bank. And lastly, we got the Kobe 11 Fade to Black. This one is actually again another gift by my other sister this time. I do have a full storyline on this, and I will be posting a full video on this soon. This is one of my dream shoes, to be honest with you. This is one of my grails. That's why I don't usually buy Kobe's, but once I saw the news that they were gonna pro-tro this, I made sure I used all the connections I can get to get a Kobe 11 Pro-Tro Fade to Black. And I did. I have it right now. Again, this is the shoe that I was talking about. I use this for basketball, and to be honest with you, the Kobe 3 Halo is better in my opinion. In my opinion, because I do have a lot of ankle injuries in the past from my past varsity experience. So wearing low-cut sneakers isn't for me anymore as I grow older. I want the mid-cut. I need that cushion. I need that lockdown on my ankles. So yeah, Kobe Fade to Black. This costed, we all know how much this costed, but here in the Philippines, it cost 11,995 pesos. 12,000 pesos for a Kobe sneaker. Crazy. Definitely worth it. I mean, I didn't pay for it. So yeah, those are the 4 shoes that I purchased this month of April. I'm super thankful. 4 shoes in a month is actually a lot for me. As an average sneakerhead, if I didn't have sisters that will buy me shoes, 2 actually is a lot already. The 2 that I showed a while ago, these 2 right here is actually already a lot for me to buy. That's already 10,000 pesos. So yeah, that is my April haul. I did also buy a dehumidifier, which is still part of my bills there. So yeah, thank you so much for the support recently. I am steadily growing my channel. We are up to almost 400 subscribers now. My past 4 videos have gained a lot of traction compared to my other videos, which is kind of crazy for me because I did not expect that to happen that quickly. So yeah, thank you so much for everybody who subscribed to me. And for all those who's not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Help me out. Be sure to like this video and comment your haul for this April. And good luck for all of us for this upcoming May. There's a lot of sneaker releases this May. I'm saving up for 1 pair and 1 pair only, the Brick by Brick Jordan 4s. I hope I can get them. So yeah. Peace. Thank you so much for watching.